The coastline of the state of Maine offers some great views of the ocean and the rugged New England shores, and we headed out for a look around with our Lincoln Navigator. A key stop was Acadia National Park along the central coast of Maine on Mount Desert Island. Since it's surrounded by water, it provides an impressive combination of mountain and open water views. The island was first discovered in 1604 and was originally part of the French province of Acadia, hence its name. The park comprises more than 50 square miles and has over 120 miles of hiking trails. Those trails lead through just about every shoreline, mountain, or valley area in the park. We, however, chose to drive our Navigator to the top of Cadillac Mountain. At 1,530 feet, Cadillac Mountain is the highest point on the Atlantic seaboard in the U.S. and naturally provides great views of the ocean. Throughout the park, whether you're on foot, on a bike, or in your vehicle, you'll be able to enjoy sandy beach areas, rocky cliffs, and forested hillsides. It's also a popular area for cross-country skiing in the wintertime. At that time of year, most of the park's roads are closed because of snow and ice, so if you're not planning to ski, schedule your visit for the warmer seasons. And, like a lot of other parks, the peak summer season can be pretty crowded, as lots of other folks search out the cool ocean breezes. Wildflowers are abundant in the park at various times of the year, and the area is also a sanctuary to many species of birds and animals, so there's plenty to see in addition to the scenic views. There are also various educational programs put on by park rangers to better help you understand the geology, history, and wildlife you'll find at Acadia. The sweeping ocean views and rugged coastal scenery mix with fishing villages, art colonies, and tourist destinations as you drive along the Maine shore. There's something for everyone, including United States presidents, as you'll find at Kennebunkport. As we mentioned, as with most coastal resort areas, things can get pretty hectic in busy summer travel times, so for the most enjoyable trip, we recommend timing your visit for late fall or early spring. At those times, neither large crowds nor snow should present a problem, and you can relax and appreciate the beauty the Maine coast has to offer. As always, our Lincoln proved to be a supremely comfortable, spacious, enjoyable travel partner. Fun to drive, powerful, and feeling equally at home on curving coastal roads, dirt trails, or open highways, the Navigator provided first-class seats for some of the best views available on the Atlantic coastline.